Yay! Happy birthday to Mom.
Cake, mom cake.
And before I leave the four corners of this house, I would love to dedicate a song from my heart to the birthday girl, Mom Cake Rios, to my soon-to-be manager, and to my boss when it comes to perfumes. Okay, perfumery, Mr. Sanchez. Mr. Pardo on fashion statement, sir.
O, si Otlong naman.
What? This is the dance. All the stars to shine, with teardrops in my eyes.
Palakpakan!
Here I am again, starting to realize days will be brighter.